Hello, welcome to Technology Platform. So today we are going to see search in regular expression. Let me open idle. Now let's see this. So here I'm going to use it, import re, and then I'm going to print. Sorry, I'm okay. Directly we can print it. Print of re dot match. Sorry, search. This is search. I can say like this. I want to search in this string. This is Python tutorial. Now, like this, yes, you're able to get this record. Now, instead of this, I just pass A, and A also you're getting it in 21 uh, wording here. I can say like Python. Here also it is able to search it. So earlier match we could see like the starting letter only searching, but here anywhere the character is present or word is present, it is working fine. Now one more big example we can see here. I can defining my pattern like the first wording should be start as this in the list that all should be picked up. That is what my content is. Now what I'm going to say here is that single quotes, this cap character means starting line should be start with this, take those wording from my string. Now my string equal to, I can say like in the list, I can say like this is Python tutorial, and then this is a regular expression chapter, and this is search example, and not this, it is not starting with this, so I can say like this. Now I want to find it out for I in my string colon. Here I want to say like if re dot search of my pattern comma my string colon print. Now I want to do some pattern, so because of that I can say like f formatting, and then single quotes, this is matched hyphen, and then putting in that string I. Okay, here also it should be I, it's not my string, so it should be I. So here also I single quotes and then close it, else we can, oh, else we can say like print of same f formatting, this is not match, which is not match that I want to say, that one is like I, it should be bring it I. Now okay, pattern spelling mistake. Now I am going to run it. Now see this, so this character, this is matched, this is Python tutorial, starting letter is this, so it is matched. And here also this is rex chapter matched, and this is search example match, and not this. So not this is not starting with this, so because of that it is not matched. Whenever the wording is starting letter, starting wording is this, then it should be matched like this. Our content here, it is producing the same result, but instead of that you can use it something like my pattern, right? So instead of my pattern you can say like some dollar symbol is also, so dollar symbol we can say like if any dollar symbol ends with um, we can say like something differently. Let's see. So here I'm going to say like my pattern, here I can say like mm, chapter. I'll say something, or I will say like ends, not ends. Say something like page number, pages, like that. I can say something. Okay. And then in my string, I'm going to say like this is chapter 1 pages, something like this. This is chapter 2 pages, like I can say like first pages and second pages, like that. I can say something. And third thing, this is chapter 3, but there is no pages ending with this, like this. Now, okay, what is the issue here? Oh, my string equal to, okay, my string equal to. Now I'm going to write it this one. My pattern is like it is not this one. It should be like, my pattern should be like dollar. I just use something wrong. So here I can say like it should be dollar, then only it will work fine. Let's see. So ends with dollar, so I can say like my pattern, I can say like pages and dollar, like this. I can say this is the pattern. You can use it like this. And let's see, this is matched first pages and second pages, and third one is not matched. So because of this dollar symbol, it is not ends with pages. So because of that, it is not providing the result, and it is providing not matched. And see you in some more interesting chapters in the upcoming session. Thank you. Bye.